Hello, this is Dan Lefevre, and I'm making this video as a supplement to my session at HDI, session 406, if William Deming ran your support center. This is one of our Gemba boards, and we also use what's called Good Day, Bad Day to really understand the quality of events in our infrastructure and just how well we're doing. So I want to give an example here because during my talk I had a very short amount of time. I just want to share with you what we're doing with Good Day, Bad Day and these Gemba boards. So first of all, every day, this is our monitoring team, and I asked them many months ago to show how we are improving quality in our IT infrastructure. And so we had a number of conversations on my Gemba walk, and by the way, Gemba walk just means it's a walk where we go to the place where work is being done, and we are following up with various quality initiatives as well as improvements that we're working on to make sure that they're really sustaining them. And so we came up with Good Day, Bad Day in our infrastructure, and so the team said that the way we measure quality is we want to see every day how many disks in our server environment fill up with files. And so if it's a good day, we have over 1,950 drives that we monitor across many servers, and if it's a good day, we had 0 drives that got a 98% full alert. It's a bad day if we get 1 or more drives that alerts that it's at 98%. And so you can see yesterday, April 3rd, on disk full, we had 1,950 drives and everything was fine. We had none that got a critical alert saying that it was 98% full. And then the other thing that we monitor for quality is we are looking to see if there's any unintended or interruptions to network connectivity on 1,345 servers. So if we have all 1,345 servers that go 24 hours without any interruptions in connectivity, that's a good day. If we have 1 or more servers that has network connectivity disrupted that we don't expect either due to a downtime or some other event, it's a bad day. So when I come in the morning and I see the disk full, green smiley face, and I see the network, a green smiley face, that tells me a lot of information very quickly that our infrastructure yesterday performed extremely well. And the goal of this board is that when we come in the morning, management wants to be able to look at this board and tell within 6 seconds how our infrastructure performed yesterday. So it's a very powerful tool. And then I also want to show you what the team is doing to trend this data over time. And so originally when I first started on my Gemba walks, where I was going to the front line to see for myself, I started asking folks on the team to show me how we were improving quality on our infrastructure. And there was a number of conversations I had over a few weeks, and the team got together and said, well, here's what we want to monitor. We want to monitor these disk full alerts because we know that if we get these disk full alerts, 98% full and 95% full, that if we don't take action, we can have these drives fill up, and that can cause an event in our environment. So you can see where they started. They didn't even know what was happening in the infrastructure on a daily basis before, and they started trending it. And you can see that at the beginning, it was pretty amazing how many alerts we were getting. But then over time, when they would have a bad day or they would have a 98% full alert, they would take corrective action. And we started seeing that the more they worked on improving, the more we started seeing these events fall over time. And then we started changing and looking at some other things here, and then we went down to our new graph. And our new graph's interesting because they actually changed the y-axis here, and the y-axis is actually bigger than the original one. So this shows that we're continually improving our environment, and we have our setbacks from time to time where things go up, but the whole point of doing Good Day, Bad Day is when you see that you have a bad day, you follow up and take corrective action or implement countermeasures so that that error does not happen again. And we're starting to do more and more of this type of work at Franciscan Alliance Information Services. And this is a very powerful tool because it tells us very quickly, every single day, what happened in our infrastructure. And one of the encouraging things that I've seen the team do is now they're trending other events over time and figuring out where the errors are, where the problems are, and fixing them as well. So this just gives you an idea of what a Gemba board that I would come once a week and just ask questions about the trends and to see that we're maintaining and improving quality, as well as just every day I look at our good day, bad day board to see how we performed yesterday. I hope you found this information helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.